where they are. At first I thought that, you know, it was just them, but something's not right.
Okay. We'll look into it best we can. Thank you.
You did good, Robin. This is heavy stuff.
Not as heavy as I was expecting, to be honest. She just came in, cried a little. We have enough to go off of. Location, phone data, all that. Adam, you okay?
Yeah. Just, I think you should sit this one out.
I don't understand.
These things take time, Robin. You know this.
I've been here long enough. I know this place like the back of my hand.
I know.
I get evidence on my desk every day. Pictures, photographs, you name it.
I just want you to wait.
I am sick of waiting. I'm sick of staring at my computer, waiting for something to happen.
Listen, if you want to do this type of work, you have to leave your idea of humanity behind. You get it? You're not gonna like what we found.
Right there, you see that? Basically, I want you to make the sound of her dying, Jake. Can you do that for me?
Yeah, I think I could. I don't know.
Come on, I know you can. I mean, give it reason for the name Freakout. Make sure it really freaks us out. Also, I need this done by midnight. I know I can count on you.
I don't think I can do that.
Hey, look at me. I believe in you. Get to it, all right? But you're all into it. Best stuff comes out that way.
Devin, Charlie's here for you.
Coming. Owen, Jake, don't be afraid to go crazy. Don't let me down, man.
Hey. Bad, huh? How long have you been in here?
I don't know.
Don't you want a break?
I don't know. I don't know if I know what's right or wrong anymore. I just want to make it. Why can't I just make it?
I get that. You know, I've always wanted to be famous. At least to some extent, but no matter how much you want it, you can't do it alone. People like us need to help each other out, right? Climb I'm Maria, by the way.
Hi.
Well, if there's anything I can do, I'll help however I can. Do you want a Band-Aid for that? What are you doing?
No, I didn't. That wasn't me. That wasn't me, no. I shouldn't have.
That was phenomenal.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, how would you even make something like this?
Something came over me?
I'll bet. I mean, Jesus, the awards we're gonna get? Maria? Where's... Nah, whatever. I'll just get another assistant. Send this to me ASAP, okay?
Yeah.
Perfect, man. Amazing. Hey. I needed this done yesterday. Can you do that for me?
Oh my God.
You okay?
Yeah, I need a minute.
Business next door found her when they were taking out the trash. Got the call about an hour ago.
Are those bite marks?
What?
Bite marks. Like something ate through it.
Somebody get me forensics. We're gonna need another bag. Over.
Devin, Jake, welcome.
Charlie, how you been, man?
Oh, I've been so good. I mean, amazing. We are just having the best time setting things up here today. People keep saying that they're being overworked, but nah, time is just flying by for me. Yeah. How have you been, Jake Areno?
Oh, I've been okay. Not proud of what I did.
Nonsense, man. You are the well-deserved talk of the town, my friend.
Aren't you hosting as well?
You're so cute. Of course I'm hosting. I mean, people say that my name, Charlie Harrington, has a ring to it. And tonight, that name's getting in your face. Yeah, you like that? Amazing. You know, I brought you here today just to show you. And it is a
Jake. We need to talk.
Jake. You good, man?
Sorry, I...
Cool.
Nothing to apologize for. You ready to make a name for yourself?
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
Yeah, well, you get used to it.
Someone bit through her. And you weren't even fazed by it. You didn't even bat an eye.
You wouldn't like it like this. I wish I was still in your position, not knowing how evil the world could be. And yet even still, you want to get your foot in the door. When I got my first job, there was a homicide at a clinic. It took us hours to get there. When we finally arrived, I thought it'd be easy. When I got there, I saw what we could become. The names are posted in the paper the next day. When someone does something that extreme, there's no coming back. Not in my book. And even if there was, it's my job to keep those doors closed. Come back out when you're ready.
Hey, Adam.
Yeah.
How do you get through the nightmare of it all?
It's the nightmares that get us recognition. Hey, what's this?
I found her. You gotta listen to this.
Jake?
Didn't. I needed to be done and perfect.
I know. I get it, really. If I were you, I would have done the same.
Kill me? Why?
I don't know, why did you? It's not like I'd want to kill you, but hey, I bet you didn't want to kill me either. In a way, it's good what you did. In a way, it's what I wanted. Not death, but the love that comes with it. That feeling when everyone knows your name. That feeling when everyone knows your story. In that moment, after I died, when I looked down and I saw police and strangers on the street go out and look for me, I couldn't help but smile. They appreciated what I did for the world, what I stood for. That's all I ever wanted, really. So don't feel sorry for me. There's enough people doing that.
Am I supposed to forget you?
Maybe. Maybe not. Just show them you're here, Jake. Show them you're better.
Please, take your seats and enjoy the show.
Thank you. Thank you. I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming out here tonight. You all have put so much hard work into your projects, and each award given out reflects your
There you are, man. Just in time.
Wonderful achievements. But first, I'd like to bring the house down for a second. I think we all wish that someone very special was here with us tonight. I would like to take a brief moment of silence to honor our friend Maria Tremont and send our prayers out to her friends and family. Now, without further ado, here are the nominees for Best Single Camera Directing.
John Hollow, The Dreaming Isles.
Shit! I'm not beating Hollow. Fuck me,
Do you have admission? What? A reservation for tonight for the award ceremony?
Ma'am, we have a reason for arrest. Please step aside.
Oh, jeez. Who is it?
We're not at liberty to say.
Why not?
Step aside.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
It's okay. Here, buy yourself something nice.
Now that's impressive. Writing something like that in 5 days.
Trying to do this again sometime?
I remember reading the script.
I mean, I've had something rattling around for like a little bit, Why not go a little further?
Accepting an award.
Yeah.
Look at me, handing it out.
Why not?
And now, it's time for the Best Sound Design in a Short Film.
All right, here we go.
Jacob M. Ambrose, Freak Out.
Okay, remember, we go into my signal, close them in, no way out. Over.
Adam,
Henry Staloch.
what if he wins?
He won't.
And now, the winner of Best Sound Design in a Short Film goes to... Freak Out!
Thank you. This award could not have gone to a better choice. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this, and I could not be more honored to be here tonight. You want to say a few words, man?
I'm thankful for everyone here, really. When I first started, I wasn't an expert at sound. I'm still not. Barely know what I'm doing, bashing pots and pans together. But I have to hand it to myself. I think I did well.
Jake Ambrose. You have the right to remain silent. Making you so caring and no use against you in the court of law. Understand? You can afford an attorney.
Excuse me, folks. Rare sighting.
Jake?
Maria was, I don't know, she was there, when I was at my lowest. And she saw me. I've done crazy things for this award. And she helped me get what I needed. And I finally made it. I made it. So this is for
sad little ending to a sad little life. What started off sweet, finished bitter at the right. The pity remains of a story untold, the trophy that you'll never get to hold. But I just like to know. How far would you go? What wouldn't you do? Do you even know what winning means to From humble beginnings to glimmer and gold, who knew solitude could take such a toll? But I just like to know.